All right, guys. Today, we're going to teach you how to take off these bumpers. So these bumpers, this plastic part, if you don't know, is bolted to the fender. So let me show you how to get easiest access to doing this and removing this in the process. All right, come with me. So first thing you do is you take this drill, right? You drill a couple holes in here. I already did that. I didn't want to bore you with the process. Then when you're done with that, you take some of these snips, these wire cutters, you just sort of cut your way around to really give you good access. And what that does is it allows you to access these 3 bolts in here, so you don't really have to waste time with, hurting your hands and all that kind of stuff. But you got to be careful. You don't want to damage it too much because, if you ever go to reuse it or you want to sell it. And really, you can shape this however you'd like. So you could take it like this. You can bend it down. This allows you good access to get into there. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but those bolts right there. So now that we got these holes drilled, you pull yourself up a nice little chair, right? You get comfy, you sort of relax a bit. And then this gives you perfect access with comfort to access these bolts. Now this is a 10mm bolt, and you get the largest ratchet you can find, or you have. And in this case, this is what we have. Don't try this at home though. We are trained professionals. Always make sure it's on reverse and not tightened. It'll save you a big headache down the road. Remember, there's 3 bolts here, guys, so just be patient. If it takes you a couple hours, it's all right. And because I cut this great hole, I have good access to get this bolt out. This is nice because this is easy to patch on plastic when you get down the road and you want to try to sell this or reinstall it. So follow me for more tips, guys. There'll be more later. But we just wanted to show you how professionals do this.